What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have an unboxing for you. And the first thing I want to talk about is this box itself, the packaging. When I got these off my front porch, the first thing I noticed was the carrying handle on this box. Now, I've unboxed a lot of speakers, received a lot of speakers, but I've never seen a carrying handle on a speaker box. I've seen them on computer boxes and used them and stuff like that, but never on a speaker box. And that just made me excited because I started thinking, man, they spent a lot of time thinking about the packaging for these speakers. So I got to figure out what's inside, you know, that sort of thing. And let's just be real. Presentation does matter. You don't want just a brown box. Just like with Christmas gifts, you wrap them in wrapping paper so the presentation is nice, right? So yeah, I think they've done a good job with this box. But what's in here? Well, we've got a pair of speakers from KEF. These are the LSX IIs, the second generation of their LSX powered bookshelf speakers or desktop class speakers. They're HiFi speakers. Now, these speakers have all the major connections that we are looking for, including HDMI. They've got optical, they've got a sub-out connection. They also have a lot of the wireless standards, including Apple AirPlay, Google Chromecast, they've got Bluetooth support, and they support a lot of the different streaming services, including Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, and many others. So basically what you can do is you can connect these to your computer, to your television, watch your favorite content, listen to your favorite music. That's what they've done here. But these also come in 5 different colors, including the traditional black and white, but they also have a blue and a tan color, and they have what they sent me, this nice little red right here. So I'm excited about this. If you've been following the channel, you know I like speakers that come in colors so that you can, you know, kind of match them to your personal taste. So hopefully they do a great job with this red. The packaging is any indication, they probably did. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get in this box. So they did a great job with the packaging and instructions, telling you where to pull so you can get the speakers out, but also to lift the speakers from the sides instead of the front and back so you don't damage any of the components. I like that. In the box, you get 2 power cables, one for each one of the speakers so you can plug them into the wall because they do need power. Both of the speakers have amplifiers inside the case. They also give you an Ethernet cable so you can connect the 2 speakers together if you want, but they also work together wirelessly. There is a remote in the case with some batteries, and there is the quick start guide and warranty information in this little package right here. Now, the speakers, this nice red, I like it. It looks fantastic. This is the front of both of the speakers, and This is the side with a nice gloss red surface finish. I mean, it's a big, bold red. So I think they've done a great job with this. This particular speaker is the primary speaker or the control speaker. It has all the controls on the back, so you can connect to all the things you want to connect to and Bluetooth pairing and stuff like that. All of that is back here on this speaker. And this is the secondary speaker that has basically just an Ethernet port on the back if you want to connect the two speakers together. But again, this is the primary speaker, and you do interact with it through the KEF Connect app. So I'm gonna go ahead, get these set up, break them in because these are brand new. KEF just announced these speakers, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago, and they just released them. I'm gonna go break them in, and then I'm going to start my review process. So definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so that once I publish my full review, you'll know that it's published. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll try to answer them. Hit us with that like, and I'll talk to you next time.